Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, my dear viewers. I hope all of you are keeping fine by the grace of God Almighty. I'm Tufele Haji, and on behalf of Kai Hope Career Institute, I welcome you all to this important session in which I shall be announcing some important details for the students who are aspiring for NEET, JEE, 12th and 11th classes. Well, Kai Hope, the name is enough, where hope and excellence meet. My dear friends, you are here to kindle your hopes at Kai Hope. Some important announcements coming up for you. Yes, friends, you heard it right. The announcements regarding the scholarship programs that Kai Hope has for you. Yes, we have got the Racer Crash Entrance NEET JEE course, and for that the screening and scholarship test is going to be held on 9th of December, that is Thursday. Remember the date, 9th of December, Thursday, 12 noon. For students who are going for 12th class this year, they will have their screening cum scholarship test on 9th of January, that is Sunday. Once again, the time will be 12 noon. For the students of 11th class, so we have got the scholarship cum screening test on 12th of December. Once again, it's going to be Sunday noon. So attractive scholarship program from Kai Hope Career Institute for all the students who are aspiring for big dreams. Yes, my dear friends, you heard it right. We move forward and we have got scholarships up to 100%. Yes, 100% scholarships, attractive scholarships available from Kai Hope Career Institute. We have got more than that, the separate hostel facility available for the boys as well as girls. We have got transport plying through all the routes of Srinagar. Yes, you heard it right. These are all important aspects that you need to keep in mind when you attempt to come over here. Yes, now the registration can be done online as well as offline. For online registration, you can scan the QR code, or you have one more option. You can find the Google form in the link that's obviously going to be given in the description that the video will be carrying. And for offline registration, you can come to our office, visit personally, and get all the details of registration as well. We move forward, my dear students. The contact details, obviously Parepura, the main campus study center. We have 788-9936-734, 9906-450201. These are the phone numbers which you must keep track of. For the Rajbagh Study Center, 941-990-3815, 9906-450201. These are the contact details, my dear friends. You must keep track of these contact details if you want to register. In fact, you must register for these courses, and who knows that you will be on top of the scholarship list, and then you will have the prized opportunity to learn with the most important and the most beautiful course programs that are going to be offered by our mentors here. We move forward, and that is the shaping of our dreams. The shaping of our dreams, my dear friends. You want to shape your dreams. You want to carve a career for yourself. Kai Hope is the route for you. Kai Hope is the hope for you. Remember, Chale Chale Kai Hope Chale is the slogan that we all are looking forward to. This time we need to make it big, and for making it big, the slogan speaks volumes. Chale Chale Kai Hope Chale. Thank you.